Welcome back, viewers. Now, one question comes to the mind of users: how to change the profiles, that is, the performance profiles in Nvidia card. So, if you have got a system with an Nvidia card, and if you want to change the performance of your graphics from, say, integrated mode, in integrated mode, the onboard graphics will work, that is the integrated card or the integrated graphics that is onboard on your motherboard will work, and the Nvidia graphics card, that is the additional graphics card that is attached to your system, will not work. Uh, it will be not performing, or it will remain dormant. In the hybrid mode, initial the graphics will be served by the integrated graphics card that is on your motherboard, and when the graphics requirement increases or the graphics load increases, then the Nvidia card will be activated and it will do the service. And in the Nvidia mode, that is right from the beginning, that is right from the boot up, Nvidia card will give the support for the graphics and the integrated card will remain dormant. So these three modes are there. So in Ubuntu based Linux distributions, it is very easy. You have to just change the prime profiles. So changing the prime profiles and changing the bus speeds of the graphics card will change the performance levels of the graphics card. But in other Linux distributions, this is not possible. And for that, there have been certain ways to do it. Say in some of the older systems, they had this Optimus. So Optimus Manager was provided. So using the Optimus Manager, you could change the graphics level or the graphics mode of your system, and you could change between the integrated, hybrid, or the Nvidia modes. Then there was Bumblebee. So Bumblebee also did the same thing. So different methods were there to change the graphics mode or the graphics performance mode on your system. Now, in the present times, the Ubuntu based Linux distributions have the ability to change the graphics profiles or the graphics mode using the prime offload method, render offload method. But what to do when the prime is not available? For example, in Arch, prime is not available. So to do that, there is Envycontrol. So Envycontrol is a program available in the AUR repositories, and you have to use either EA or Paru to install it. I have just installed Envycontrol on my laptop. So right now I am using EndeavourOS. Just today morning only I changed from Debian to EndeavourOS. In Debian, still it is not possible. Earlier, the Envycontrol used to work in Debian, but nowadays the Envycontrol is not working in Debian. So in the older Debian releases, it was working. So now let us come back to the installation. So you have to issue the command a space dash capital S Envycontrol. Then it will start the installation. You can see here. So for that, it will require the Python setup tools. So packages to clean build. So either you can clean build all the packages, you can clean build none, you can only clean build the install packages, not install packages. So 4 options, or you can abort to clean build the required packages. So I had done with no. Okay, so there is some older entry of the Envycontrol because I tried it earlier before the present install. So that package is going to get removed. So don't get puzzled, it will not show up because you can see here I tried earlier to install the Envycontrol and check whether the Envycontrol was getting installed and working. So I had tested the Envycontrol earlier. So it will remove the older build file. And after this build file is removed, it will then start to install. You can see here it will check for the conflicting packages, resolve the dependencies. It will clone into the Envycontrol bare repository. It will check dependencies, the conflicting packages, then it will check the this package integrity, all other things, everything, and it will download the extra packages that are required, and then optional dependencies will be also be checked, so those also will be installed. It will arm the conditions need update, you can see here. Then it will start building the Envycontrol package on your system in the clean build area. And finally, after the installation is done, you can see here it is installing. So it is completed the installation of the Envycontrol package. It is all automatic. You have to just give the commands. So after the commands get executed, let it build. Let it build. You should go with the default option. So system will show you during the selection of the packages whether which is the default selection. For example, I will just show you. It's just showing the default. So none, all, about. So there will be one default option or choice that system will going to take. So you can go with that. You can go along the flow, and the Envycontrol package will be installed. After the installation is done, you can reboot your system. And in the next video, I will show you how to use the Envycontrol. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.